Yoga Flow for After Work Part 2. Relax after a long day at work with a soothing yoga flow designed to relieve you from your stress and tension. This sequence combines strengthening postures, flowing movements, and relaxation methods to help you relax. Begin with Namaskarasana. Raise your hands overhead, arch your back. As you exhale, bend forward to Padahasthasana. Now step your right leg forward to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Transition into Adho Mukha Swanasana or downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg forward to Ashwa Sanchalanasana again. Rise up into Veerabhadrasana 2 or Warrior 2 with your arms extended. Then to Veerabhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1. As you exhale, bend forward into Padahasthasana once more. Finally, return to Namaskarasana. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.